How to buy 4 gigabytes data using 600 naira, which the duration is about 30 days. So in this video I want to show you how you can buy cheap mobile data using your smartphone. And now, first of all, what you have to know is that this is only for people that are in the pause plan. Okay, so to get started, just dial *344 *2 *1 hash. So when you dial this number, you'll be provided with two different options. The first option here enables you to get 300 MB with just 15 naira, and then the second option enables you to get 4 gigabytes with just 600 naira, and the validation period is about 30 days. So when you click on the second option, which is 2, the first thing it will tell you is that you will be migrated to MTN Pause plan to enjoy this offer. So that is why I said it is for people that are already using Pause. So if you are not using Pause, it will migrate you to Pause. If you are already on Pause, this process will not show up. So all you just have to do is click on yes, which is number 1. So when you click on yes, it will now ask you, do you want to auto renew and follow up with other data instructions. So if you click on 2, you don't want it to renew, but for me I like clicking on 1 because I don't mind spending 600 naira to buy 4 gigabyte data. Is very okay. So I'll click on 1 and then I'll click on send if I want to buy the data. If I don't want to auto renew, I'll just click on 2 and make it a one-off purchase.